Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this I'm going to do the speed test comparison between the iQOO Z5 versus the Realme GT Mastered Edition. So this is a question which has been requested by few of my subscribers asking me to compare. So this kind of speed test which includes the 10 games. As you can see, these 10 games are kind of close to small games, not huge big games I would say. But let's see which phone can actually open these 10 games faster. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So first I did clean everything from the background, so there's no applications running in the background. Everything is completely cleared, and these 10 games are doesn't require any kind of Wi-Fi or internet connection. Basically they are offline games only. Let's see which phone can actually open fast. So both phones, they do have the Snapdragon 778G processor, but LPDDR5 RAM type and UFS storage 3.1 in the iQOO Z5. That's one advantage in the iQOO Z5 device. But let's take a look at the speed test. Let's start with the first game, Subway Surf. So let's see which phone opens first. So Subway Surf game. Subway Surf game slightly faster in the iQOO Z5. Next is the Candy Crush. So Candy Crush game is also kind of very close to each other. Nothing much major difference between this both phones. But let's see this game. First open in the iQOO Z5 and then in the Realme GT Master Edition. Temple Run. Temple Run is kind of very close. Nothing much huge difference as well. So you can see the difference between these both phones. It's not a huge difference. Just little bit difference is there. Having the LPDDR5 RAM type sometimes may help in terms of the opening speeds and everything a little bit. And next is the Crossy Roads. So this is a kind of very fastest speed test I have did. So this kind of mini kind of speed test, I can definitely say that. So I just want to keep this speed test videos very, in small length as possible. That's the reason I'm trying to be a little bit kind of quick as well, because few of the users did mention that don't ask me not to make a very lengthy video. That's the reason. And you can see the iQOO Z5 was able to open most of the times faster than the Realme GT Master Edition. A little bit faster. Not bad. And Angry Birds 2 also, both phones were able to open at the same time. Nothing much huge difference as well in the Angry Birds also. Next is Stake Ball. Let's see this game. First in the iQOO Z5, then in the Realme GT Master Edition. So overall, in terms of the speed test, the iQOO Z5 did a little bit have the advantage over the Realme GT Master Edition a little bit. But let's check the RAM management, what is going on between both phones. And one quick note, the Realme GT Master Edition which I'm trying to use is a 6GB RAM variant. So in the 6GB RAM variant, what happens is that only few games will be stored. In the 8GB RAM variant, you can store up to 5 games. In the 6GB RAM variant, it will try to store up to 4 games. I'll try to show you exactly what happens. So let's start from the last game, and is Angry Birds game and Hill Climb Racing, as you can see. So till 4 games, it will be completely fine. As soon as I open the 5th game, then it won't store in the background RAM management. Let me show you the clear example, which is a Crossy Road is the 5th game. As you can clearly see, Crossy Roads 1, 2, 3, it won't open. So if the phone is of 8GB RAM variant, what happens is that it opens 5 games. So it doesn't open 6th game if the phone is 8GB RAM variant. This is the actual fact. So difference between 8GB and 6GB RAM, this is the only one thing which I did observe. In terms of the multitasking, maybe a little bit, only 1 or 2 extra games and apps will be storing in the background. Apart from that, there is nothing much huge different regarding the RAM, 6GB and 8GB RAM variant. You can clearly see, friends, the difference, how it is. So the iQOO was able to store most of the games in the background out of 10 completely. This doesn't need to do anything with the RAM, 8GB RAM variant, nothing at all, because this need to do with the UI optimization in terms of the RAM management. Not only in the iQOO Z5, even in the iQOO Z3, which is very old phone, but still the phone was able to maintain even this level of RAM management in terms of storing background. So this is a quick comparison, friends. Even I did enable the external RAM capabilities as well. External RAM capabilities is completely a joke. It's not at all useful, nothing at all. It doesn't even help anything in terms of the RAM management. So that's the one thing which I was just mentioning for you all. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison between both phones regarding the speed test and the RAM management test. I hope you got a clear idea what's going on between these both phones regarding the 10 games. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.